What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. And today, we're going to be playing Subway Surfer, a new game to my channel. And, yeah, let's just get into it. Apparently, the top guy today, this week, got about 400,000, 4 million. Sorry. Oh my god. Fine, do. Of food. Oh my god. Why are you being so... Oh my god. There we go. Finally. Well done. Done. No, oh my god. You know, yeah. Go. 3. Here you go. Let's go. Sorry if I mess up on this run. I just had to turn my volume down. I'm gonna keep on going. Also, guys, fun fact about my channel. I record every single video I ever had on my channel on my phone. This very phone I'm recording this video on. And yeah, that's right. You can get Subway Surfers on your phone. I didn't know this till about 2 to 3 months ago. I've had this game for a while now. I didn't tell you guys because I was lazy and I haven't made a video in like a month. So that's why I'm making this video. Try to make this video at least 10 minutes long. If this one run is 10 minutes, I'm gonna be surprised. So I don't think I've ever got up. There we go. I don't have any keys. Good. Let's play 4 more times in this video. This first run took 2 minutes. Yeah, that should be about 10 minutes. So maybe 11, 12. Because I'm only allowed to record 15-minute videos. So basically, I can basically only record 15-minute videos. So that's why you don't see any like 20 or 30-minute videos on my channel, like a lot of other YouTubers. I do like 11-minute videos, so it's not like you don't click away from the video really quick. The freak! Sorry. Just gonna hop. Also, again, sorry if I'm not talking very much in this video. Like, games where I focus, I don't really talk very much in videos. Like, I know that the drawing videos are pretty boring and they're not very long. So, this is a follow-up video because I just uploaded like 5 or 6 drawing videos a few weeks ago. So, those are pretty boring, so I know you probably want to watch a video like longer. So, you came to the right place on this video if you want to see kind of a long kind of video. Leah, please be quiet. Actually, this video might only be like 7 minutes because I really have to go to the bathroom right now. So I'm going to do one more run. I'm going to end the video off. Then I'm going to go to the bathroom. And in these videos, there's going to be a tradition where I use at least 2 of those every single round on the last one. So if it's the last one, then get ready to see me use 2 of these. Because once I mess up with this one or it runs out, then I'm switching to number 2. Also, I've never gotten this in this game. Where do a lot of the trains come from? Like, you see them come, and then you see them go, and then there's always another train behind it. Or like a roadblock or something. So how did they get there? That's what I always wonder about. Also, guys, if you want to see another top 10 video on my channel, make sure to subscribe and comment down below. And I might do another top 10 video. I have no idea what I'm going to do it on, so I don't make many top 10 videos. If you go kind of far back on my channel, I think I did make one top 10 video. Or, yeah, that was a top 10 video. Top 10 games you should not buy for your kids. And on that, I was just kind of reading the ratings for a bunch of games. And just kind of talking about them a little bit. I don't know if I actually talked about them. I think that video might have been about a year ago. Or, actually, I think it was about 6 or 7 months ago that I uploaded that video. Because once I went on a big vacation for like 2 months. Fine, I'm going to use one more in this video. Just for like a special first episode. That kind of thing. Really hope this ends soon, because I really have to go to the bathroom now.
Then end it.
Yeah, also my sister's right behind me. Don't pay much attention to her. Like, if you want to go check out her channel, make sure to subscribe. Her name is Burnt Penguin.
Hurt Penguin.
Hurt Penguin. Never mind.
Not burnt.
Also, make sure to subscribe to this channel. And make sure to subscribe and like. And peace.